Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Viessmann Vitoconnect smart heater controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this controller is not syncing with the app, or it won't connect to your devices, or it's not communicating or lagging or crashing, any kind of connectivity or functionality issues that you need troubleshooting for, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You will need to set it up again, as all of this will be reset to its factory defaults like when it came out of the box. Which brings me to the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this up in a new heating system or on a new Wi-Fi network, you might want to do this just to clear everything out so you can get a fresh out-of-the-box start on it. So if you want to do this, it's quite easy to do. We're just going to come in here and we're going to press this button right here on the side and hold it for 30 seconds. It's a pretty long hold. So we're going to hold it for 30 seconds. And after that 30 seconds, the LED indicator will flash red. We can let go. And then we can go ahead and press it for 5 more seconds. And that will complete the hard reset to the factory default settings.